Hello and welcome. I'm Svetlana with the LiveAlgarve Bespoke Realty, and today I would like to present to you this luxury, modern ocean view villas in Monte Lemos, Praia da Luz, designed by the top architect in the Algarve, Mario Martinez Atelier. These villas are forming a cluster of high-end properties, 3 and 4 bedroom villas, ranging from 240 to 300 square meters. Only livable area, and there is an additional level in the basement. There is a rooftop terrace with ocean view. There is lots of outdoor terraces and space. All these villas are equipped with an infinity pool and beautifully landscaped minimalistic garden. And now let's talk about the location. It is a walking distance to the town of Praia da Luz and to the beach. It's a walking distance to the restaurants, cafes, and shopping. It is next to the tennis courts. It's near the golf. It is minutes to the international schools, 1 hour away from the International Fair Airport, and 2.5 hours from Lisbon. Also, it is located on a private road in a very tranquil location. Now let's talk more about the complex. In total, there are 9 villas and 6 of them are available. 3 of them are 3 bedrooms and 3 of them 4 bedrooms villas. The villas are coming turnkey complete. Design and style is minimalistic architecture with a glass facade and natural stone. All the villas have 4 levels, with the ensuite bedrooms on the ground level and primary bedroom on the first level. There is a rooftop terrace, there is underground parking, and the villa is enjoying one incredible view from 2 levels. The villa we are in today presents a sample of a turnkey complete 4-bedroom luxury villa with an entrance hall, with a laundry and 3 en-suites located on the ground level, with the exits to the outdoor. There is a basement with the underground parking using a car lift. There is an additional parking space on the ground level. 1 level above, there is an open concept living, dining, and a fully equipped kitchen. Also, there is a primary bedroom, and all of them are sharing 1 grand terrace with fantastic ocean view. There is a rooftop terrace with a cozy lounge area where you can enjoy beautiful sunsets and one incredible ocean view. There are so many luxury features in this modern villa. Top to bottom windows, LED lightings, micro cement floor, top of the line appliances, a beautiful barbecue system, energy rating A+, solar panels, and so many more, so you can check them on the link below. I would like to thank you for taking this video tour with us. If you like these properties, please reach out and I will be happy to present them to you. This has been Cheers from the Algarve, and I will see you soon.